so it's time for the lucky draw. The lucky draw that you guys participated in the month of September. So this is the list that bought the list of items from me. So I'm just gonna put the paper inside lah. Okay, so first one was Muhammad Hidir. Okay, Muhammad Hidir, you spend 2 Diamond Glow bundle with Shopee promo voucher. So you get 4 chances. Okay, so Muhammad Hidir. Diana Sahari, you spend one Diamond Glow with Shopee promo voucher, so entitled to 2 chances. Okay, Nur Diana Sahari. Okay, third one. Razia, you spend 3 Elio bubble mask, okay, $75, so that entitles you to, so for every $20 you get 1 chance. So if you spend, like say $75, you will get 3 chances lah, 2, 4, 6. So Razia, 3 chances. One is Nur Hafiza, you spend 2 Diamond Glow bundle with Shopee promo voucher, so you spend $95, so you are entitled to 4 chances. So this is the participants who spent in the month of September with when the lucky draw message was out lah. Okay, so next one is Amina. Amina, you bought Iman antibacterial wipes, cost $26, so entitle you to 1 chance. Amina. Okay, 1 chance. So Iman antibacterial wipes is I brought in the new product lah, so it looks like this. The Iman antibacterial wipes, green color. So 1 bag like that. Okay, 1 bag like this is 26 lah. Okay, if you want to buy 1 loose pack also can, $2. Okay, next one, Sulis. So Sulis, you bought Iman makeup remover 2 box bundle, these 2 So makeup remover, these 2, $60. So entitle you to 3 chances. So 2 box is actually 56, but because you paid for delivery fee, I give you the $60 lah, so 3 chances. Okay, so the next participant, Johan Espinosa. So you bought 1 Diamond Glow with Shopee voucher, so entitle you to 2 chance. Johan Espinosa. The next one will be Aisha Barum. Okay, Aisha Barum, you bought 3 box of 18 Vital Skin by 8 Carat supplement. So 3 box is $100, so you get 20 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $100. So 5 chances So Aisyah Bahrom 5 chances. So 18 Vital Skin by 8 Carats is this one. It's a new product. This one just swallow. It's a collagen also. Diamond Glow to drink. This one is to swallow. So for those of you who don't like to make drinks lah So Aisyah Bahrom. Okay, Aisyah Bahrom 1. Next one is Lina. Lina from Bukit Panjang So you bought Iman Feminine Wipes, 1 box of this So 1 box is $60, so you get 3 chances. Rashila. So Rashila, you bought a few things Iman Family Wipe. So you bought this Iman Family Wipe yellow, 1 bag, and then travel pack. Travel pack is the everything in one, and then 1 Diamond Glow tub. So you spend 121. So that gives you 6 chances. So Rashila. Will be Zalzari. So Zalzari, you spend 2 tubs of Diamond Glow bundle and 2 handmade bracelet. Okay, so you bought 2 handmade bracelet. This one So this one you 2 for $10, 1 for $6 lah. Yeah, so this one you spend 75, so that gives you 3 chances. So Zalzari. Okay, last one is Sulastri Ahmad. Sulastri Ahmad, you bought 1 jelly gamat. This one jelly gamat and 1 gel gamat So you spend $52 total. So that gives you 2 chances. Okay, so okay guys, so this Sari Gamat Gold is also a new product from Malaysia. Okay, if you want to know more, you can message me lah. So this one good for wounds, good for the internal body system, immune system, cuts, bruises, ada yang macam melecet ke apa, you can put that. Straight away dia heal. Okay. Now, for the moment you all been waiting for. Okay, before we draw, let me remind you of the lucky draw prizes again. Okay, so first prize will be $80. Okay, $80 and a full set of gamat hamper. Okay, so you will try like all the gamat punya product. Okay, full set So that's the first prize. Second prize will be $50. So any one item of your choice that I am selling. So means any one you see here, you can choose whatever you want. One item you can have. Okay, third prize will be a $30 fair price voucher. Okay, $30 fair price voucher. Alright, so good luck to everybody. Okay, good luck to you by third prize, second prize, and first one, okay? Okay, so third prize. Okay, who is this lucky one? Okay, Sulastri Ahmad. Congratulations, Sulastri Ahmad, you won the third prize. Okay, so Sulastri Ahmad, one of your name is still inside, so I didn't take up. So you might win the second prize also, so I don't know, Okay. Okay, who is this lucky one? Okay, Nordiana Sahari. Congratulations, you won the second prize. Nordiana Sahari. Okay, so you got one diamond glow je, 2 chances je, you can win already. Very congratulations on second prize. Okay, so let's see for second prize and third prize done. Okay, for the first grand prize worth $80 and a full set of Gamat hamper for you to try. So Gamat hamper except for the energy patch, Okay, let's have this one. Okay, who is the lucky winner? Oh, congratulations, Aisha Bahrom. Can see? Aisha Bahrom, you bought 3 box 18 Vital Skin. Okay, very congratulations. So this is the first prize. Congratulations. First prize $80 and full set of Gamat hamper. Later on, I'll just ask for your address lah to send the hamper. Alright. Okay, you can have a look at the 3 winners. Okay, first winner, I repeat, Aisha Bahrom. Second, Nordiana Sahari. Third prize, Sulastri Ahmad. Congratulations, these 3 participants. Okay, so we were going to have another lucky draw maybe this month. Okay, just watch out for the another message. Yeah, so just to update, my diamond glow tubs, I left 11 tubs only, so I won't be restocking anymore. Okay, the rest I will still restock lah. So you can have a try at this new collagen supplement, okay, if you want. Yeah, 18 by Vital. So it looks like this, Mana yang okay, so it looks like this inside. So it's a supplement. Actually got 3 lah. It's a supplement. Just swallow. Swallow, then you are done with the day. So 2 in the morning and 2 at night. It's very easy. Okay, so that's it for today. Any questions regarding any of the products on the table? Let's say you want to buy gifts, bracelet for your children. This one I can make for you whatever size you want. So you just message me. This one is handmade, so I will make to order lah. Yeah, Iman Whites, Diamond Glow 18, Vital Skin, Ilium Mask, and Sari Gamat products. Sari Gamat products also we have a few lah. Okay, I will text you also the full list. Okay. All the best everyone. Thank you very much for your support.